Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to customize Shopify cart icon. So let's just do that. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. First, what you need to do is head over to your online store and click onto this customize button. Once you do that, you'll be able to see on the top right we have our card button showing up. To simply change its color, you can use these themes options. So if I click onto this, you can see on the left side we are going to be having this control section where we have color schemes, and let's just say I want to select this one. You can see it turned it into white. So that's how you can change its color, or if you want to further customize it, like for example its size or shape, you can do that as well. So you can head over to these three dots from top and click on edit code and then manually adjust the positioning and icon for this particular icon. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.